Hey, Miss Vlog, how we doing today?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah.
We got the overalls, we got the bathing suit. It's really bad lighting. Today, I'm gonna be taking you along on my day in the Hamptons. I grew up here, if you didn't know. Grew up in West Hampton, or actually Remsenburg, but not many people know that town. And I moved after I finished high school, so I only have friends out here, not really near my new town, because I'm at a weird age where it would be hard to meet them unless I met them from like college or my work. So I come out here almost every weekend in the summer because a bunch of my best friends are here. So today I'm going to be hanging out with one of my best friends, Chelsea. You guys have met her before. And we're just going to have a fun beach day, and I thought I'd take you along because we always have fun and are a little chaotic and hyper. For example, cue the pumpkin photo shoot video.
Finally back, man! I'm sweating. Where's the window?
Gotta lip my line.
But Dusty, it's real struggle right here, man.
I get the best one. I get the best one.
I'm getting that great.
She's mad at me.
So yes, as you can see, we're a little deranged, but we always have fun, lots of laughs. So we're gonna skedaddle. We're gonna go on over there, and I will see you when I'm with Chelsea. Look at us in our little pink hat.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
We're in the Jeep.
We're in the Jeep.
We got
Oh wow, this lighting is angelic or something like that. We're going to get Starbies.
our little pink hats.
And they're not matching.
We didn't plan it.
Don't worry.
It just happened.
Anyways, we'll see you at Starbucks.
Bye.
Cheersies. Wait, ready?
Can't even tell what's
Stay fierce. As I like drip it on you.
What's your recipe?
Just like that. My recipe for disaster is grande shaken espresso, 5 pumps of classic syrup.
Syrup. Mine is matcha with a pump of chai in it and soy milk. And it's so good. See you when we see you. We got some TikTok making in the deep flow hats. I'm learning how to be a TikTok.
We could be Winnie the Pooh. Oh, my nose got stuck. Round 2. Woohoo! That's how you make a damn TikTok. You got oh no! If that looks like shit on here, I'm gonna be mad. This is terrible. She's like 10 times taller than me, so she really hits me in the right spot. I feel like we are the most awkward people literally together. Why is that so sad?
I look like a little farmer.
Yeah, you do. But you look good.
Okay, we're just awkward and
Bye, little
we don't
fuckers.
belong on TikTok. I can't see a damn thing.
My kid's gonna have one shovel, one baby umbrella, and that is it.
Go play with sand, kid. I'm sweating.
I'm wet.
I'm wet. I'm sandy.
She got the fatty, like PHATTIE. Yeah, it's been a good, fresh, salty day for me.
I look like an eggy. I realize you probably can't hear us because the wind is hitting my microphone. First talkie ever.
You don't like it?
They're right.
Oh my god, they're so good. They're addicting.
Not a big chip. I prefer tortilla chips.
baby girl.
That's so cute that they do that.
I know, the little cone. Did you eat your cone?
Avocado. We got some coffee.
Avocados are so good.
Coffee.
An avocado.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo te llamas?
Well, I look.
Well, I'll be damned.
Well, that's about it, folks.
That ends our series today.
That was our day. Sorry if it was short.
Sorry if it was boring. It was a pretty fun day for us.
It was chill vibes.
Chill vibes all the way.
And we had a good time.
I've got nubs and 2 fingernails left.
That's a wrap.
Anyways, that's a wrap for us.
We'll see you soon. We're from Tennessee.
Alright, bye ladies and gents.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Adios, amigas. Her ass?
Make money, take money, earn, crack money, drug money, bill money. Heard they got life for me.